Hi, I'm Carolyn Bird, and welcome to 110 Lottie Lane in the beautiful community of Madison in downtown Campbell. The design of this neighborhood was inspired by the architecture of the Presidio in San Francisco. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath, 2,100 square foot modern townhome is only 2 years old and overlooks the Los Gatos Creek Trail, just steps away from downtown Campbell. This beautiful home is designed with an open concept floor plan, soaring 10-foot ceilings, and a balcony with views of the creek, trail, and greenbelt. The ground floor guest suite with full bath is a private space for guests or a home office. Upstairs is a luxurious and spacious master bedroom suite. What you're purchasing with this home is not only a well-designed, beautiful townhome, but also carefree maintenance, a safe and friendly neighborhood, and a quiet place to retreat, just steps away from all the amenities of downtown Campbell and the Prune Yard. If you'd like to learn more about this home, give me a call today at 408-502-1604.